often we come across many patients who do not respond to particular medications in case of diabetes. And when we change the medicine to some other medicine, they will have very good response and without side effects. And as we know, there are a lot of medications, classes of medications, which are available to be given to diabetes patients. Why is it so that some patient, a particular patient responds in a very good manner to particular medication, while some other patient will not respond? The reason is to large extent genetic. As we know, diabetes is not only an environmental disease, it is also has got a genetic component. As a matter of fact, in India, we know up to 4 to 10% of patients would have what is called MODY, which is a familial diabetes. And many times the cause of this diabetes is a defect which can be identified in the genes. What if we particularly target these genes? Yes, there are medications to target particular genetic defects, and when we give such medication to the patients respond with no side effects and with very good blood glucose control. And this is what is called precision diabetes. Yes, we know precision medicine has not been able to make gateway into diabetes in the field of diabetology. Availability of so many medications, it is not possible to give one particular medication to which a patient responds very well. It is for this reason that we should get then the genetic testing of those patients who are having diabetes in their family, and in whom those who satisfy the criteria for MODY or maturity onset diabetes of young. In our own experience, in our own hospitals, we have seen some families which respond very well to particular medications, and when we have done genetic test, we have been found to have to identify the genetic defect. As a matter of fact, the genetic testing is now widely available in India. My second point would be on type 1 diabetes. As we know, there are a lot of children and adults as well who suffer from so-called type 1 diabetes. These patients they live, and we all will agree to it, a very horrible life, because these patients, they need to take insulin maybe sometimes 4 to 5 times a day. And despite this, these patients have got an HbA1c levels which are hardly touching, for example, 8. So there is an urgent need for good therapy in the field of type 1 diabetes. A ray of hope is the insulin pumps. Yes, we know the insulin pumps which are available now in India, the closed loop third generation pumps, they are very costly. Some of the third generation pumps are not even available in India, but it is in technology. The technology of insulin pump is something which is replicable, and it is possible to bring it down to levels which is affordable to common population. And there are many scientific groups in India which are working on them. We can in fact see insulin pump which is of third generation closed loop, and which is made in India, and which is cheap and cheaper. The other aspect of type 1 diabetes mellitus, another treatment option is called regenerative medicine. It is possible to transplant islets or the insulin secreting cells from some dead donor to these type 1 diabetes mellitus, as a result of which they can become insulin independent. Thank you.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.